Bob Boldt HVAC offers professional furnace maintenance services in Eagan, MN, designed to keep your heating system operating at peak efficiency throughout the cold season. Regular maintenance ensures your furnace performs reliably, extends its lifespan, and reduces energy costs by optimizing its efficiency. Our team uses the latest tools and techniques to deliver results you can trust, ensuring your home remains warm and comfortable during Minnesota's harsh winters. Call our furnace maintenance team if you have any questions. Are you looking for furnace maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. How often should I schedule furnace maintenance? It's recommended to schedule furnace maintenance at least once a year, ideally before the heating season begins. Annual service ensures your furnace is ready to handle the demands of Minnesota winters. What does furnace maintenance include? Maintenance typically includes cleaning and inspecting components like burners, heat exchangers, and filters, testing safety controls, checking for proper airflow, calibrating the thermostat, and ensuring the system operates safely and efficiently. What is your service area for Eagan, Minnesota? Our furnace maintenance has helped clients in Eagan, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Burnsville, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, Edina, Minnesota. Where is your Eagan, Minnesota furnace maintenance office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 165-130-06145. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.